A lot of people don't like to get their cut wigs washed for several reasons. Two reasons that I know. First, they're scared the wigs might get spoiled, and secondly, the dead shows seniority at the bar. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you my two simple methods. First is cleaning with the fabric, and second is a washing. I advise you don't wash your wigs as often as you want to. You can restrict it to once a year or in a few years. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I do that. When using the fabric method of cleaning, I like to concentrate on the inner part of the cut wig. This is because the inner part of the cut wig gets stained with so many things like makeup, excessive hair products, sweat, body oils. So this is the part to concentrate on, particularly the corners when you're using the cleaning with the fabric method. With this method, I like to concentrate on the front inner corner of the wig. This is because this part of the wig rests more on the forehead and is prone to stains, as you can see. So I'd like to use a very clean fabric, something that doesn't run. And for what I put in the water, I either use a shampoo or a detergent. So I like to keep wiping that particular corner till I'm very sure that all the stains are out. Then I extend my cleaning to other parts of the wig, concentrating on all corners that are prone to stains like I showed you in the video. So when I'm done with the inner cleaning, I like to extend the cleaning to the outer part of the wig. And when you're doing this, you have to be very careful. When you're cleaning the outer part of the wig, it's prone to scattering the horse hairs on the wig. So what is best to do is to follow the patterns while cleaning. You notice that if you drag it in a certain way, it goes like quite really rough. So in the position where you drag it and then it goes really smooth, you clean in that direction. So that's it for the cleaning with the clean fabric method. If you must wash the wig, I suggest you soak it for 5 minutes or more, depending on how dirty you think the cut wig is. And so when you want to wash it, you just lift it up and down in the water gently. You just lift it in and out of the water very gently. And if the lifting of the wig in the water is not enough, you feel the wig is very dirty, you could gently scrub the wig following the pattern of the wig so you don't scatter the hairs on the top part of the wig. Just gently scrub it till you feel it's neat enough. Always turn the wig inside out whenever you want to squeeze. This is to preserve the hair on the outer part of the wig. So there are 3 ways to dry your wig. You either flip it up and down, around, gently, not vigorously, so you don't loosen the hairs depending on how strong your wig is. Secondly, I'd like to use a towel depending on how the weather is. If it's very sunny, I don't think there's any use for this because the sun is enough to dry the wig. And if you must use a washing machine, probably it's raining and you really need to use the wig urgently, I advise you wrap the wig in some form of material, a pillowcase or any material that doesn't run color, or you could just air dry the wig in your room or wherever it is. So that's it for keeping your cut wig clean. Thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to share to someone you know this video will help, and you can always leave a comment down in the comment section. I could just be making the next video for you. Thank you for watching.